Good afternoon, students. I'm making this video for these students that I did not have today, this morning, for in-person learning at school. Okay, what we did was the reading inventory, and I know I did speak to one of my 8th graders. I know he knows who he is. We were going to do a spelling. I changed my mind. So you know me, I can change my mind. So I'm going to walk you through on the website or on my screen where the website you need to go to. So let me go ahead and screen share. And that way you can jump right in and get that going. So have a Google search open. I just did google.com. In the search bar, oh, it's already up there. Type in HMH zip code locator. Okay. And then the first one that pops up is the one that you should, I usually click. So samconnect.scholastic.com. School code, who knows it? 13036. And then Central Square will pop up, click go. Do not bookmark this where you are, what you see right now. So don't bookmark until the next step. So I'm going to use a student's password, only because mine would look different than yours. So now the password that you'll be putting in is your regular school one. So make sure, I know we're so used to using our Google one. You can see, do not put the CSSD apps at the end, that part. Okay, so just your first initial with last name. Then of course your password. Okay, and then what you'll see when you'll pop up is just kind of your screen one for the site. Now, to get into the program, you'll click the tile that's underneath program. And then of course you have your assessments. Now, you can go in and take the reading inventory on this page, but there's another area. You can click the actual button that opens the program for you. And then you can see all this stuff in there. So this is where you would go for software, which I have to set up still. You can dabble in your independent reading, okay? So you can get to the reading inventory here. We are not taking, I do not want you to take the phonics inventory yet. That's later, okay? Probably later this week or early next week. So then click start. The only thing I want to point out, some students might have a read 180 tile here. It just depends on where you are. So either way, click the System 44 tile, the gray one, or click the Read 180, okay? So once you're in, you'll click Reading Inventory. You'll choose 3 genres that you'd like to read. This is for the purpose of a accumulation of books that's given to you at the end based on your score. So if you liked history or humor, it will give you suggestions to read at the end around to the area of where your score is. So it's kind of nice. You can probably do a screenshot of it. If you wanted the whole list, I can send it to you because I can save it as a PDF in mine. Okay. I'm not going to click next, but once you click next, you'll have a set of directions, and then it will take you to some practice questions, and then it will go into the test. The test is about 20 questions long. It is not timed. So that's different from STAR. So you have as long as you need for each question. I mean, not days, it's not time. And you also have in the upper right-hand corner, you have an option to do 3 skips. Use them, but don't use them. That's up to you. It does not affect your score if you use them. So, but I've had students, you know, choose all of them or choose none. So you can make that choice. Now, if you do need to pause it, I know, like, you know, you got stuff going on at home. You would click log out. Don't click the X. Click log out, so that way you can save it. Are you sure you want to log out? Yes. And then you would click save. I'm not going to do it here because this is not mine, obviously. So, but you would click save and it would save and return back to where you left off next time you logged in. Okay, so good luck on this test. When you're doing the test, or when the test is done, this program will use this score, the reading inventory score, to place you in the software, the student application part that you see here. Okay, so definitely take your time, okay? And good luck. And I'll keep track of who's done and who's not in a document. I'll create one, okay? Have a nice day, guys. Bye.